Hey there, Ching champs. Welcome back to another episode where we dive into the fascinating world of making money online. Today, we have something really special lined up for you. We'll be sharing insider tips on how to monetize social media and turn your passion into profit. So, grab your notebooks, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Social media platforms have become more than just a way to connect with friends and share cat videos. They're now powerful tools that can help you build a successful online business. Whether you're an aspiring influencer, content creator, or entrepreneur, there are various ways to monetize your social media presence and turn it into a sustainable income stream. Alright, folks, here are our top strategies for making money from social media. Sponsorships and brand collaborations. One of the most popular ways to monetize your social media presence is through sponsorships and brand collaborations. As your following grows, brands may approach you to promote their products or services. Make sure to choose partnerships that align with your niche and values, providing genuine value to your audience. Remember, authenticity is key. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another fantastic way to earn money through social media. By joining affiliate programs, you can promote products you genuinely love and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Share honest reviews, tutorials, and valuable content to drive engagement and conversions. Digital products and online courses. Are you an expert in a specific field or have a valuable skill to share? Creating and selling digital products like ebooks, online courses, or video tutorials can be highly profitable. Social media platforms are perfect for showcasing your expertise, generating interest, and driving traffic to your sales funnel. Sponsored posts and advertisements. Similar to sponsorships, sponsored posts and advertisements can bring in revenue. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok offer advertising programs that allow you to monetize your content through pre-roll or mid-roll ads. However, it's crucial to strike a balance between ads and your organic content to maintain your audience's trust. Crowdfunding and donations. If your audience values the content you create, they may be willing to support you directly through crowdfunding platforms or donations. Platforms like Patreon or Ko-fi enable fans to contribute to your work on a recurring or one-time basis. Show gratitude and offer exclusive perks to your supporters as a token of appreciation. These are just a few ways to monetize your social media presence, but remember, it takes time and dedication to build a following and establish credibility. Let's quickly recap what we've discussed. 1. Sponsorships and brand collaborations. 2. Affiliate marketing. 3. Digital products and online courses. 4. Sponsored posts and advertisements. 5. Crowdfunding and donations. That's it, Ching champs. We've shared some valuable strategies to help you turn your social media presence into a money-making machine. Remember, stay consistent, provide value, and engage with your audience. The opportunities are endless. Closing. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on how to make money online.